Hello everyone! This video will guide you through unboxing and setting up your Embody chair, along with troubleshooting tips at the end. When you open the box, you'll find the chair partially assembled and everything you need to complete it. Inside, you will see the spine, the back fit adjustment knob, and a bag containing all the necessary bolts, screws, and tools. In the bag, you'll find 2 Allen wrenches, long and short back bolts, a metal rod for the spine, 2 plastic hinges to secure the rod, and screws for fastening. Let's begin by assembling the back and the spine, and then we'll attach them to the chair. Attach the spine by positioning it under the antler and dome. Take the metal rod and carefully align it with the hole in the spine. Gently push the rod through until it extends fully to the other side. Next, grab the 2 hinge covers, noting that they are left and right specific. Ensure they are oriented correctly before proceeding. Attach them to both sides of the rod. This step can be a bit tricky, as you'll need to align the rod inside the hinge covers on both sides simultaneously. Once aligned, firmly push the hinge covers into place. Now that the hinge covers are in place and secured with the rod and the spine, it's time to lock them in permanently using the bolts. Insert the bolts in their place to the left and right. Grab the T27 torque Allen key, and while pushing down, tighten the bolts securely. With the back fully assembled, we can now move on to attaching it to the chair's base. Take the back of the chair and place it onto the base. Notice the 2 holes at the bottom of the back? These need to align with the protrusions on the base. Push the back firmly into place. Next, from the back side, take the short bolts and use the T40 torque Allen key to tighten them securely. After that, insert the long bolts into their designated spots and tighten them as well. It doesn't matter whether you start with the left or right side, the key is to ensure they are tightened properly. If you notice the long bolts aren't catching the thread, it's likely because the nut is wobbly. This is completely normal and happens frequently during setup. There's no need to panic or consider returning the chair. It's a common issue with an easy fix. To fix this, lay the chair on the ground as shown. This helps align the thread and the nut, making it easier to tighten the bolts securely. Give it a firm push, then proceed with the tightening. Finally, take the back fit adjustment knob and push it into place as shown. Once it's secure, twist the knob to adjust the lumbar support to your desired position. Here's one last pro tip. If the height adjustment cable is loose, or if the height adjustment function isn't working, this is the first thing you should check. Simply hook the cable into the cylinder by pushing it in as demonstrated. Now that everything is set up and working properly, your Embody chair is ready for use. We also have a detailed guide to help you adjust your Embody chair perfectly. Be sure to check out that video to get the most out of your Embody chair. Also, don't forget to check our Embody headrest. It comes in different colors, fully ergonomic, and affordable to complete your Embody experience. Thank you for watching.